What's going on, y'all? So I've been really getting into DeFi and NFTs, non-fungible tokens, and I've been telling people, I've been told them when it was at like 24 cents, get some mana, because the thing that sets Mana Decentraland apart is it's a crypto, but it's based on the Ethereum blockchain. This game, you'll see in a minute, but it's also a non-fungible token, which are NFTs are huge these days. So I mean, you can get crypto kitties, but I like NFT, and NFT hit an all-time high today, 59 cents, 130% gains last month. So I've been posting a lot of like investor stuff on my TikTok, CBT_warm, but I should be putting it here on YouTube because TikTok, whatever. So Decentraland. I don't know if you use Coinbase or use Crypto.com wallet or Uphold, but the ticker for it, what do you call it, a ticker for cryptos? Anyways, I'm big into stocks, but I'm switching over from stock market to this, and NFTs are like getting in early. So two things: getting early on this, CryptoKitties, but Earth2.io. We'll cover that in another video. But Decentraland. So you create an account. What you got to do is you got to get MetaMask. MetaMask. Where's I going with that? Oh yeah, you can buy Mana. Decentraland. It's called MANA. Mana is the name of the crypto on Coinbase. Pretty sure you can get it on crypto.com, which you should get some CRO, by the way, and Cardano, Ethereum too, and Dogecoin. Dogecoin's pumping right now. But anyways, I'm getting distracted. So Decentraland, what you gotta do is you create a MetaMask account, and you could put your some Mana or Ethereum in there, and you can use it in this game. Now, what's so cool about this game, which is my first time ever trying it, I was finally able to get in, but so non-fungible tokens, basically something that can't be replicated. It represents more of a piece of art. It's the future of art, a lot of people are saying, a lot of artists are saying. So you can make a skin in this game, let's say, and let's just say it's just an epic skin, and you post it somewhere on TikTok, people like it and they want it. You can just say, okay, I'm only making 10 of these skins, and it's going to cost this much mana. You can charge, I guess, what people are willing to pay for it. So you're using real money in this land. So basically, there's a map, and you can buy parcels of land too. So you buy a parcel of land, and then on that land, you can just build a shop. Or I think there's going to be advertising. I thought it was going to be VR, but I'm just on my computer screen right now here. But so you can, you buy a parcel of land, and you don't have to buy and play the game. You can just hold mana, and it should go up in value. But if you want a real NFT, you're going to want to get into the game and create a skin or something like that. So let's get into it. Let's just check it out. So what I was saying is about people can make stores. Click the world to lock the cursor and control your avatar's view. Okay. Press escape to unlock it. Nice to meet you, CPT Warren. My name is Alice, and I'm here to teach you some Decentraland basics. Shall we begin? Oh, so you're catching in right on the beginning with me. Before we do that, so you get the idea, right? Why it's an NFT is because you can get non-fungible tokens in here, be it a skin or an item that you can create that has value to it because people think it has value to it. So it's a 2-for-1 with Mana. It's a good crypto. I mean, from 24, it's up 130%, 24 cents to 59 cents, up 128%. So, but you're also getting non-fungible token NFT. So we'll figure out how to create those, and then if you need help getting the MetaMask set up, there's a bunch of YouTube videos, but you should be able to figure it out. But let me know in the comments if you need help with any of this stuff, and then if you want another video, we can talk about CryptoKitties, and which is another really good NFT. You basically just buy two, and then you made them, and then you have your own NFT. But and Earth2.io. But let's get into this Decentraland. Nice to meet you. Yeah, E to start. To switch the camera, press V. Oh, you can go to third person. That's great. How do I go? I'm pushing V. I switched over Earth 2. We'll get to that later. Okay, I was on the wrong screen. Oh wow, look at that. Oh, you can jump. So I guess you always start out in Genesis City. I already been jumped. You start out in Genesis City. Okay, I gotta slow down this movement speed here. This is like a big whale thing. Proceed to access the control panel. Oh, okay. I want to look at the map. Okay, this is what I'm talking about with the parcels. So, how do you zoom out? I just got a scroll wheel. So some of these places, okay, you can see created by Rob Dixon. So I guess you could just teleport. So someone has bought this parcel. So these parcels, I believe, are for sale, and that's the logo for Decentraland. It's pyramids, which I really like it. It's a corner plot, so you want to try to get in, at least get a parcel and some stuff going in Decentraland while you can. Excellent. Proceed to access the control panel. I did that. Use voice and text chat to talk to other players and make new friends. Oh, okay, I guess it's got proximity chat. Talk. You find controls. Okay, so it's got a nice little heads-up display here. You find controls and helpful tips in the taskbar menu. Night mode. Oh, nice. So, Decentraland. So in the future, you could see they're going to be using advertising in here, and it's like a Second Life thing. Earth 2.io with the VR is actually, it's got a lot more clout behind it, but this one's up and running right now. Use the Explore to find scenes with experienced players in them. Okay, so nice. They have this. Okay, so Genesis Plaza is where I hear is the main start-off point. So let's see if these people can even hear me. Click on your avatar to manage your account. Well, I can't click. My mouse isn't moving now. Decentraland wants to. Okay, control tab. Allow. Alright. Talk. Oh, so you press and hold it to talk. Okay, and then here's the avatar. Oh, we got a backpack, a wallet address. So this is your wallet address. This is gonna be very important. And I should open up MetaMask. I haven't funded this one yet. I can't really figure out how to do it. I want to see if I can transfer from Coinbase to here, or I'll just buy some more. I mean, you can always get some. Always want to get Ethereum. But anyways, that's MetaMask. Create an account there. So you can see it links when you first log in. You go to Decentraland, you play it, and then you gotta link it to your MetaMask account. And on the CryptoKitties, CryptoKitties on the phone, you link it to Coinbase wallet, and then on CryptoKitty on the computer, you can link it to MetaMask or I think there's another one. Alright, expand the map to get an overview of the metaverse. Red dots indicate players and stars are highlighted scenes. So where are the players at? View players in the scene and configure. Hold T while speaking to your mic too. Okay. Hey, what's up? Can you hear me? This is my first time in Decentraland. Active since December 2019. Man, this person's been around. Collectibles. Alright, so anyways, this is Genesis Plaza. So I guess you just Alt-Tab it to get to your mouse, and then you can click here and you can go to, let's see, all users, graphics, auto quality. Whoa, let's go way higher. What are we doing with low graphics? Resolution 30 FPS off. Okay, hang on. What was the thing that I clicked to switch to day to night? Yeah, day mode. That's cool. Okay, so let's see what this is. Current price. Somebody's selling something. Weekly time trials. Weekly NFT prizes. See? So people are already battle racers. So you can. So think about this. The implications of this. You can create a racetrack and a really cool car, and then you can give away one of those cars as an NFT, and you can only make 10 of them or make one of them, and then you just charge a certain amount of mana for it. And it's very safe. This is based off the Ethereum blockchain. View players in the scene and configure voice chat. I already done that. Okay, what do I click? Just click here. Tutorial complete. Alright, nice. How do I close that thing? Oh, Alt-Tab. You're going to be using Alt-Tab a lot. I guess Alt-Tab's your friend. Maybe escape? Whatever. So, Okay, so V was first person. Hey, bud. Alright, so let's just check around for a little bit and just talk about it. Let me know in the comments what you think, the future of this. If you're interested, or you're excited. It seems pretty, randomized, amazing scene. Jump in. Let's see. I haven't experienced any lag. Loading time, not bad at all. Let's see. Wow, that's an interesting tree. So I don't know if people created this or if this is part Decentraland, but I'm going big on Decentraland. I'm going big, and maybe wait till it drops down to 40 cents. I think 40 cents might be the new bottom. 35 cents the new safe new bottom. But I have a buy. I'll set a buy price 40 cents. 35 if you want to be safe. Conference room. Alright, that's cool. You can change the music when you go into rooms. I gotta buy a parcel. So maybe on the next video I'll show you how to fund your MetaMask wallet, and then buy a parcel if you're interested in this. But thank you so much for watching. I think I talked about everything I need to talk about. What happened to the music? I hope this video is recording. Much love. Thanks for watching. If you want to hear about CryptoKitties, Earth2.io, I think I'm pivoting the this channel. I didn't know. I wasn't using it for a while, this YouTube channel, but I've been doing a lot of investing and stuff lately. That's probably why I haven't been doing it, because I haven't been doing any gaming. It's been like stocks, crypto, and been really looking into DeFi, NFTs. So if I basically learned on my own, there's a lot of things that I wish I would have known when I first started getting in. So if you're first starting getting in, I can help you tell you the things that I wish I would have known and stuff. So if you got any questions, just let me know. And the biggest question is how do you find stuff before it blows up, whatever. Just you got to stay on it. And honestly, with TikTok, you can find a lot of new stuff. And I don't really see too many people posting about Decentraland on TikTok, but I did. I posted when I was 24 cents. I was telling people Decentraland, this is a cool new thing, and Earth2.io. I was telling them. So, anyways, much love. Thanks for watching. Maybe we can do a quick teaser for Earth2. Let's go to Byland. Let's go. So what you see is, here's the Santa Monica Pier. I had it set up on the Santa Monica Pier. Now you can see all these tiles. These are people who bought them up already with the country of your flag on it. So Logan Paul actually was just talking about this. And I haven't bought a spot. You can see there's still some places available. I was thinking about buying this one, or here. I don't know. This one's got half water because there's gonna be resources. So Earth. That's a little sneak peek of Earth2.io if you don't know about it. I got a couple spots on Mount Rushmore. Whatever, you can see my stuff. Where's Mount Rushmore? It's cool to watch. I got Jerusalem before they closed it. I think they just opened Dubai into Jerusalem. Why am I not seeing? I can't believe I'm getting into Earth2, and this was supposed to be about Keystone. Be about Decentraland. I just want to show you how this works, and you can buy and sell. This is phase 1. Phase 2 and then phase 3 is going to be full on virtual reality where you can live in this thing. So I got I think this tile. I got Reagan's gravesite. I got this one. I think this one and this one. This one, and this one. Let's see. $5,000. So this I got in when it was 17 a tile. Now it's like 50 a tile in the U.S. But you can buy all around the whole world, So, anyways, this was supposed to be about Decentraland. So much love. Thanks for watching. I'm a ghost. Stop record and make sure to like and subscribe. I appreciate it. Thanks.